you guys, so this will be a video lecture on the Essay 3 prompt. So for our Essay 3 prompt, we are going to be working on an education argumentative research paper. Okay, so our topic will be education. The mode that we'll be writing in is argumentation, and it will be a research paper. Okay, so there will be a separate video which explains how to do the research. So we will do a detailed essay outline first, and then we will do the final draft, and you can see the due dates there. Both will be due on Blackboard. So let's go through this here. Answer one of the following questions or set of questions in a sustained 4 to 6 page argumentative essay. Use at least one reading from our unit and at least 2 scholarly sources found on the Mesa College Library website to support your points. The questions correspond to the content of our unit's readings. Okay, so basically what this is saying here, you have 1 in-class plus 2 online sources that you find on the Mesa College website, which is, and they will be scholarly. Okay, so you need at least 3 sources total. Okay, at least 3 sources total. So minimum. Okay, again, 1 in-class, 2 scholarly for 3 minimum. Again, you could use all the in-class, you could use 10 scholarly, you know, use your best judgment there, but 3 minimum. We will be completing assignments this unit that will help you prepare for this essay. Any material that you compose for these smaller assignments may be used for your final paper. We will first complete a detailed outline in which you include your topic sentences, quotations from your sources, and some brief analysis. You will receive feedback on your outline. And I can talk about the outline later. So essentially what you're doing is you are choosing one of these questions here, and then you are writing a 4 to 6 page essay that answers the question. And again, the questions correspond to our course readings. Okay, our course readings are right down here. Okay, and yeah, I'll get into that in a second. So what types of pressure do college students experience? What can be done to alleviate some or all of these pressures? What struggles do veteran students face in college? What should be done in order to help veteran students succeed in college? What value does a failing grade have for students? What should be required of students in order to pass a class? What should motivate students to pass or fail? Why do students fail classes? What would help these students to pass instead of fail? Are boys at a disadvantage in school compared to girls? How can we help boys to succeed at an equal rate to girls in the classroom? And then this is a direct quote from our book. If boys are doing worse than girls in school, whose fault is it? Okay, I thought that was a good question. What factors are at play in boys' failure in school? How can professors or administration help developmental or remedial students to succeed? Should students like Mrs. L pass based on effort, or should grades only be rewarded based on merit? Okay, so choose one of those questions. There's a whole lot of different topics here to choose from, so you should be able to find something that you're interested in. And then again, you write a 4 to 6 page, essentially, argumentative response to that question that you choose. And you use your sources to support your points. And then these are the 5 readings that we will be doing this unit. William Zinsser, Alex Horton, Mary Sherry, Michael Kimmel, and Professor X. And the Professor X is not in our textbook. It says here it's on Blackboard. So let me show you Blackboard. We can go into our module where our prompt is, which is Learning Module 5. We click on it. Okay. You will be turning in Essay 2, and then we're getting right into Essay 3. So I have a journal here that kind of introduces the topic. The prompt is right here. The video will be right here when this is done. There will be, there's an outline here, an outline video, and a research video. Okay, so I have separate videos for the outline and research. So you will need to watch those as well in this learning module to understand everything about this assignment. But for our prompt, that's essentially it. You are just, again, choosing one of these questions, answering it in a 4 to 6 page argumentative essay, and using your sources to support your points. Alright, so please do watch the outline video and then and the research video, and email me if you have any questions.